Hello, today we are going to look at creating quizzes in the Canvas Learning Management System. So to begin, I am going to go to the list on the left-hand side and select quizzes. Now I'm going to go to plus quiz in the upper right-hand corner and give my quiz a name. So I'm going to name this week 1 quiz. Then I'm going to add any description I want to, and I'm going to select a graded quiz as the quiz type. And then I'm going to assign it to a group if I need to. And then I'm going to click to shuffle the answers and set a time limit. My time limit is going to be 90 minutes. Then I'm going to allow for multiple attempts and average the score of all the attempts. And then I am going to allow for students to see the correct answers on the first day after the quiz is due. I'm going to go ahead and select my due date, and I'm going to select my start date and my stop date for the quiz. After that, I am going to go back up to the top and I'm going to set up my questions for my quiz. So let's select the questions tab at the top. Now we are going to select Find Questions, and we're going to choose questions that I previously created in the question bank. So there is my quiz 1 set of questions in the question bank. I'm going to choose Select All, and then I'm going to scroll down and select Add Questions. I could also assign them to a group if I wanted to. So there we have it. Our quiz questions are all set up now for the quiz. Then I am going to scroll down to the right hand corner and select Save and Publish. And now my quiz is active. And now we can confirm all the parameters we set for the quiz, and our quiz is published and ready to go.